Sesame oil changed my morning routine in unexpected ways, and the research behind it surprised even my doctor. 6 months ago, I struggled with dry skin and low energy. A nutritionist suggested trying sesame oil, not just for cooking but as part of my daily wellness routine. I was skeptical at first. Sesame oil contains sesamol and sesamin, compounds with antioxidant properties. Research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food shows these substances support cellular health by neutralizing free radicals in the body. Here's what makes it different. Cold-pressed sesame oil retains more nutrients than refined versions. It provides vitamin E, which supports skin health, and healthy fats that help absorb fat-soluble vitamins. I committed to 7 days of consistent use. Day 1 felt strange. I used 1 tablespoon for oil pulling each morning, swishing for 10 minutes before brushing. The texture took getting used to. By day 3, my mouth felt cleaner. Oil pulling, according to the Journal of Ayurveda and Integrative Medicine, may reduce harmful bacteria in the oral cavity. It works by trapping microorganisms in the oil before you spit it out. I also added sesame oil to my diet. 2 teaspoons daily in salad dressings or drizzled over vegetables. The flavor is nutty and rich, transforming simple meals. Sesame oil contains lignans, plant compounds that may support heart health. A study in the Journal of Clinical Lipidology found these compounds helped maintain healthy cholesterol levels in participants over 12 weeks. Day 5 brought noticeable changes. My skin felt less dry, especially around my elbows and knees. I started massaging warm sesame oil into my skin before showering, an ancient practice called Abhyanga. The fatty acids in sesame oil penetrate skin layers, providing moisture from within. The International Journal of Molecular Sciences confirms these lipids strengthen the skin barrier function. But here's what you need to know. Sesame allergies affect some people seriously, so start with a small patch test on your skin. If you notice redness or itching, stop immediately. The recommended amount is modest, 1 to 2 tablespoons daily for cooking or topical use. More doesn't mean better results. Quality matters significantly. Look for cold-pressed, organic sesame oil without additives. I found mine at a local health store after checking several brands. By day 7, I felt more energized. My digestion seemed smoother, likely because healthy fats support nutrient absorption. The Mayo Clinic notes that incorporating good fats helps your body process vitamins A, D, E, and K. I tracked simple metrics: skin hydration, energy levels, and oral health. Keeping notes helped me notice subtle improvements I might have missed otherwise. One challenge was consistency. Busy mornings made oil pulling difficult. I adjusted by preparing everything the night before, making the routine faster. Sesame oil also contains magnesium and copper, minerals that support bone health and enzyme function. These work together with calcium from other foods in your diet. For cooking, sesame oil has a medium-high smoke point. It works well for sautéing vegetables or adding flavor to rice dishes. I use it 3 to 4 times weekly. Individual responses vary. Factors like overall diet, existing health conditions, and lifestyle affect results. What I experience might differ from your journey. People taking blood thinners should consult their doctor first, as sesame oil may interact with certain medications. After 7 days, I continued using sesame oil regularly. 3 months later, the benefits remained consistent. My skin stayed hydrated, and my energy levels felt more stable. The science supports moderate, regular use rather than dramatic changes. Small, consistent actions often create better results than extreme measures. If you're curious, try adding sesame oil to one meal this week. Notice how your body responds. Always choose quality products and listen to your body's signals. Share your experience if this information resonated with you. Learning happens through trying.